This process is display cash transactions. If we want to see cash balance in this process, we can see the step by step this process. Here, display cash transactions. Select the main fund. At present, we have a one account, the main fund. The main fund closing stock is total total balance is nothing but closing balance of cash. This much 11 lakhs 61,292.9. Total debit cash this much. Total credit this much. We can see the all transactions here. You can see the all transactions, cash transactions here. Account name, document number, booking date, booking month, impacted account, document type, debit amount, credit amount, balance, narration, clearing document, uploading documents, everything. You can see the here all transactions of cash transactions. That's it about that's it about this process.